Hey everyone, and welcome back to Learn Tech. If you are looking for a safe and simple way to backup, restore, or migrate your Outlook data, let me introduce you to Remo Outlook Backup and Migrate. This tool automatically saves all your emails, contacts, calendars, settings, notes, and attachments without any complicated import and export issues. In this video, we'll focus on how to transfer your Outlook data to another computer so you can move everything safely and easily without losing anything. Whether it's emails, contacts, or calendar entries, I'll show you step by step how this tool works. Alright, so in order to download this software, please follow the link on the description below, and then once you're here, you just can click over download now, or you can go over buy now and go ahead and buy the license that you need for this software. But if you want to test it, you just go over download now and have a look how it works. Once you have downloaded, you can very easily install it. It's very basic, and then you will be on the main page of Remo Outlook Backup and Migrate. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to really backup the files of your Outlook, and then we're going to migrate that to the new computer. So let's click over backup, and then it will show you these two options. The first one is smart backup. Instantly will take Microsoft Outlook backup with a single click. So it will take everything from your Outlook profile. But in my case, I just want to customize the Outlook backup using advanced options. So I'm just going to click over advanced option. You have two options over here. One option is to schedule a backup, which is quite good because if you want to avoid your working time, then you can just schedule the backup and it's quite good. The other method is to just back that up now. I'm just going to go with the first option. I will just back up the Outlook data right now. Here you can change the backup profile name. I'm just going to leave the default one, and then I click over next. Now it will collect the information. So here it is. This is what will be backed up. It's everything related with the profiles. You click over profiles, and here you can see the profiles that are going to be backed up. If you click over PST files, you can see all the PST files that you have in your Outlook application. Alright, so I'm selecting the PST files that I want to back up, and then once I'm done, I just click over next. Alright, so here it is showing you the backup size, which in this case is quite small because I unselected many of my PST files just to make this as smooth as possible, and then the file will be saved at this location. So keeping in mind where it is. So then we take this OBM file and then we put on the new computer where we're going to load it. I'll show you in just a few seconds. Alright, we click over OK. And here it is, saving Learn Tech with AD at outlook.com.ost. So it has started creating the backup for this. Alright, so it's quite fast. As you can see, it's just 200 megabyte in this case, but if it's bigger, it will take longer. We can view the report by clicking over here, and here you can see what exactly has happened. And once you're done, you just click over finish. Alright, so we go over the location where it is created the backup. So here it is the file, and you just take this OBM file and put it on the new computer, and over there we're gonna restore it. So we meet after we do that. Alright, so once you have moved to the new computer, what you do, you click over migrate. So move Outlook data to a new Outlook or to a new PC. So by clicking over here, and then over here you have to browse to the location where you have the OBM file or this Outlook data that we just backed up. So then we click over browse, and then you have two options: select from the cloud backup, which is not the case. Click over select from local backup, and then we choose OK. So here it is where I have saved the file. We just click over open, and then it will fetch all the details about this backup, and then over here it will show you everything that it's backed up, the PST files and all the details that you need. And then once you're done, you just click over next, and the process of restoring this backup file will start, etc, etc. You have to keep in mind that your Outlook during this time should be closed. Alright, so here it is, Outlook migration completed successfully. View report. Over here you can see what has exactly happened. So alright, so now that we have restored our Outlook backup to the new PC, let's check the result. So here is my account, here is my inbox, the sent items. You can also open the calendar and see over there if there is anything that you had before. So as you can see, everything was transferred properly. In this video, we showed you how to do the transfer from the one computer to another one, but basically the restore, it's quite easy to do it on the same PC, and that's why you have also this other option, which is restore, which gives you the possibility to restore back Outlook data onto the same PC at times of unexpected disaster. So you just click over restore and then you locate your file, and it's quite simple. And basically that's all that you have to do. As you have seen, transferring your Outlook data to a new computer is quick, safe, and without any issues with Remo Outlook Backup and Migrate. All your emails will be transferred without complicated import-export steps. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description to go directly to the product page. Thanks so much for watching. That's all that I want to share with you guys today. I hope you like this video and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.